In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to analyze a website in Hostinger using the built-in analytics tools inside your hosting dashboard. If you have a website hosted on Hostinger, this feature makes it incredibly easy to understand how your site is performing, how many requests your website is getting, where your visitors are coming from, and how your traffic changes over time. The best part is that you don't need to install any additional tools or plugins because Hostinger already provides this information directly inside your dashboard. This is especially useful for website owners, bloggers, developers, and online businesses who want quick insights about their website traffic and activity. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the analytics section and how to read the most important data inside it. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials. Now, let's jump straight into the step-by-step process. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using the email address and password connected to your hosting account. Once you log in successfully, you'll be taken to the Hostinger H-Panel dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage all your websites, hosting settings, domains, and performance tools. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu with different sections. Look for the option called Websites. Click on Websites, and Hostinger will display a list of all the websites connected to your hosting account. If you manage multiple sites, they will all appear here in this list. Next, find the specific website that you want to analyze. To the right side of that website, you'll see a button labeled Dashboard. Click the Dashboard button next to the site you want to review. This will open the management area for that individual website. Inside this dashboard, you'll see several options on the left side, such as performance settings, security tools, file manager, and other website management features. What we're interested in for this tutorial is the Analytics section. From the left menu, locate and click on Analytics. Once you click this option, Hostinger will open the built-in analytics panel for your website. This page provides a quick overview of how your website is being accessed. One of the first things you'll notice is the total number of requests. Requests represent the number of times files from your website were requested by visitors or browsers. This includes things like page loads, images, scripts, and other resources that your website delivers. Alongside this, you'll also see the number of unique IP addresses. Unique IPs give you an estimate of how many different visitors are accessing your site. While it's not exactly the same as unique users in advanced analytics platforms, it still provides a helpful snapshot of how many different people are reaching your website. Another useful feature inside Hostinger Analytics is the time filter. At the top of the Analytics section, you can change the time range of the data you are viewing. For example, you can choose to see activity from the last 1 hour, the last 6 hours, the last 24 hours, or the last 7 days. This makes it easy to quickly monitor traffic spikes, check whether a new update increased activity, or see how your site performed recently. If you just launched a new page or promoted your site somewhere, these filters help you track the impact almost immediately. As you scroll further in the Analytics section, you'll also be able to see where your requests are coming from geographically. Hostinger shows the countries that are generating traffic to your website. This is extremely helpful because it allows you to understand your audience better. For example, you might discover that most of your visitors come from a specific country or region, which can help guide your content strategy, marketing efforts, or even language choices for your website. When analyzing your Hostinger website data, pay attention to patterns over time rather than just a single moment. Look for increases in requests, new countries appearing in your traffic sources, or sudden spikes in unique IP addresses. These signals can help you understand growth, promotion success, or potential technical issues. And that's how you analyze a website in Hostinger using the built-in analytics tool. It only takes a few clicks to access valuable insights about your website traffic and activity. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.